Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare onion pakoda. This recipe is very easy and quickly can prepare this at home whenever you feel like snacking up on some crunchy onions. These are nothing but onion fritters. Turns out to be super crispy and taste is absolutely amazing. Look at the texture, it breaks so easily and very crispy and less oily too. That's kurkura onion pakoda. So let's check out the recipe. I've taken here 4 onions, one large one and 3 medium-sized onions. Wash them well and cut them into thin slices. Cutting them into thin slices is very important to make onion pakodas. So I've sliced all the onions. Now transfer all the cut onions into a large bowl. Next step is to separate the layers. Use your hands and gently separate the layers of the onions. Now you can see the layers are separated and this is how we want our onions to look like. Now before marinating this with some spices, we need to add salt. All the salt that is required to make this onion pakoda, you need to add it at this time and mix this salt very well along with the onions until the onions releases water. So now the salt is mixed. Now we'll add some spices. I'm adding here 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, around 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. You can even add jeera powder. I'm adding few cut up curry leaves. This will give a very nice flavor. And also I'm adding here 1/2 teaspoon of ajwain or carom seeds. Crush them slightly and add it to the mixture. Next I'm adding a pinch of hing. You can even add grated ginger or any spices of your choice. Mix all these spices very well with the onions. Now the onions are coated perfectly with the spices. I'm adding here 1 cup of gram flour, that is besan. Add it in batches slowly. Please note that I've not added any water. So for this onion pakoda, we're not going to add any water. The onions itself will release a lot of water that is required to make pakodas. So you need to squeeze out the onions. The water will be released automatically. So you need to do this process continuously for around 2 to 3 minutes. And we have got the perfect consistency to make the pakodas. That is the sticky consistency. Now let's keep some oil for frying and let's check the oil. It's really hot enough. Add some randomly shaped onion pakodas onto hot oil. Just place them randomly. Don't think about the shape. They will look beautiful after they are fried. Now flip over carefully. Don't flip it over too early or else they will stick to the spatula. Now you need to fry this on medium heat until all the onions become very crispy and light. Now the onion pakodas are fried very well. Transfer this on a paper towel and drain off all the excess oil before serving. Now that's the last batch of my onion pakoda. You can notice it has released a lot of water. So please do not add any water to make onion pakodas. The taste will be really very good. To make the onion pakodas extra crispy, you can add 1 tablespoon of rice flour if you wish to. But here I have made use of only gram flour and that is sufficient to get crispy onion pakodas. So lastly, I'm frying few curry leaves and green chilies for the garnishing purpose. And you can have a bite of this green chili too in the middle of munching this onion pakoras. So have this along with some piping hot tea, or you can serve this along with some tomato ketchup or coconut chutney and enjoy your snack. So I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Please hit the like button if you like this recipe, and comment in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video, and thank you all for watching. Please stay tuned for more such recipes. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.